Good morning everyone and welcome to our assembly. Now the last 2 weeks I've spoken about change. We've spoken about how it's something we can't always stop from happening, and we've also spoken about how it can make us feel a little bit nervous maybe, or excited, and that sometimes when you force yourself to try the things that maybe you're a bit scared of, wonderful things can happen, like in the story last week of the seed turning into a beautiful tree. Today, I wanted us to think about maybe the feelings that you're having about starting in the junior school or moving to your new classroom with your new teacher. Now, if you're somebody that's feeling a little bit nervous, I've got an activity for you to try. It's called Squash the Change. Have a little look. So in the middle, I've written the things that might be making you a little bit worried. Maybe the fact that you're going to be in a new classroom and you're going to have a different teacher. But then around the outside I've started to put things that will stay the same. So your friends are still going to be in your class with you. The same grown-ups will pick you up from school. Hopefully you'll eventually be going in the same dinner hall. You'll get to play on the same playground you've always played on. What other things can you think of that might stay the same? Here are a few more of my ideas. I wonder if you had some that are similar. So hopefully, if you carry on that task, you'll start to realise that more things are the same than different. And then hopefully you'll start to feel a little bit more relaxed. I hope you're starting to realise that change isn't actually that scary. And you're definitely going to have a fantastic time, whatever the change is going to be for you.